If you are trying to decide between Adobe Acrobat Pro and Adobe Acrobat Standard in 2026, you are not alone. Both let you work with PDFs, but the price and features are very different. In this video, I'll break down what each plan offers, who each one is for, and which one actually gives you the best value. Let's get started. What is Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat is Adobe's official PDF software. It lets you view, edit, create, sign, and manage PDF files across desktop and mobile. The two main paid versions are Acrobat Standard and Acrobat Pro, and the difference is all about advanced tools. Adobe Acrobat Standard, what you get. Adobe Acrobat Standard is the more basic paid plan. With Acrobat Standard, you can create PDFs from Word, Excel, and images, edit text and images inside PDFs, combine and organize PDF files, fill out forms and add electronic signatures, password protect PDFs. However, Standard has limitations: no advanced form creation, no PDF comparison tool, limited automation and batch processing, mostly focused on desktop use with fewer cloud features. This plan is best for individual users who just need simple PDF editing. Adobe Acrobat Pro, what you get. Adobe Acrobat Pro is the full-featured version. Everything in Standard is included, plus advanced PDF editing and layout control, create and edit fillable forms, compare to PDFs to see differences, convert PDFs to multiple formats like PowerPoint and HTML, redact sensitive information, batch process multiple files at once, OCR, turn scanned documents into searchable text, better cloud access and collaboration tools. Acrobat Pro is designed for professionals and businesses. Key differences at a glance. Here's the quick comparison. Editing: both can edit PDFs, but Pro gives deeper control. Forms: Pro can create advanced fillable forms. OCR: only available in Pro. PDF comparison: Pro only. Automation and batch tools: Pro only. Best for Standard, casual or personal use. Pro, work, business, and legal documents. Pricing in 2026. While prices may vary by region, Acrobat Standard is cheaper. Acrobat Pro costs more but replaces multiple tools. If you work with PDFs daily, Pro often pays for itself. Which one should you choose? Choose Adobe Acrobat Standard if you only need basic editing, you work with PDFs occasionally, you want the lowest cost paid option. Choose Adobe Acrobat Pro if you handle documents professionally, if you need OCR from creation or redaction, if you work with contracts, invoices, or legal files. Acrobat Pro versus Standard for students and freelancers. If you are a student or freelancer, choosing the right version matters even more. For students, Acrobat Standard is usually enough for editing lecture notes, submitting assignments, signing basic PDF forms. But if you are a freelancer, especially in design, writing, or consulting, Adobe Acrobat Pro is much better because you can convert PDFs to editable formats, use OCR for scanned client documents, redact sensitive client data. Bottom line, students, go for Standard. Freelancers, go for Pro. Is Acrobat Pro worth the extra cost in 2026? A common question in 2026, is Acrobat Pro really worth paying more for? The answer depends on how you often use PDFs. If you work with contracts, handle scanned documents, create fillable forms, or manage PDFs daily, then Acrobat Pro can save hours of work every month. But if you only edit PDFs once in a while, rarely convert or scan files, then Acrobat Standard will do the job just fine. Paying extra only makes sense if the advanced tools save you time or money. Final verdict. In 2026, Adobe Acrobat Standard is good, but Adobe Acrobat Pro is powerful. If PDFs are part of your daily workflow, Pro is the clear winner. If this video helped you out, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Check the links in the description. Thank you for watching and goodbye.